Welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to find all your hidden events on Facebook Web on PC using the new update. If you've ever hidden an event and now want to check it again, this quick walkthrough will help you find it in just a few clicks. First, open Facebook on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu with different account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. When the next menu appears, choose Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps track of many of your actions, including the things you've interacted with, hidden, or managed before. Inside the Activity Log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. This area organizes different types of activity so you can find exactly what you need without wasting time searching through your whole profile. Now click on Events. After that, select events you've hidden. This will show you the list of events that you previously hidden from your feed or activity view. If you want to review one of them, you can open it and check the details again. This is especially useful if you hid an event by mistake or simply want to see what you've hidden over time. Facebook's layout can change from time to time, but the path is usually very similar. So if you don't see the option immediately, just look carefully inside the activity log and the events section until you find events you've hidden. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can easily find all your hidden events on Facebook Web on PC. If this helped, make sure to follow along for more simple Facebook tutorials just like this one.